Hello everyone, I am Subhi Avasthi, Assistant Professor, PG Department of Computer Science, Arya College, Ludhiana. Today I am going to provide a video lecture on selection sort technique. Selection sort is a simple sorting algorithm. This is in-place comparison based algorithm in which the list is divided into two parts, the sorted part at the left hand and the unsorted part at the right hand. If you are going to sort the list in ascending order, then the smallest element is selected from the unsorted array and swapped with the leftmost element, and that element became a part of the sorted array. If you are going to sort the list in descending order, then the greatest element is selected from the unsorted array and swapped with the leftmost element, and that element became a part of the sorted array. This process continues, moving unsorted array boundary by one element to the right position. Consider an example of a selection sort in which we are going to sort the array list in ascending order. The elements are in array are 14, 33, 27, 10, 35, 19, 42 and 44. In this, first we select the location from the unsorted list, that is the first position from the array list. In first position the element is stored is 14, so we select the 14 element from the first position. Now we start scanning the list. After scanning the list, we select the lowest value from the list, that is 10 at the fourth position. Now first position value is swapped with the fourth position value, means 14th item is replaced by the 10th iteration. Now 10 element reach its first position because it has lowest value in the list. In this way 10 reached to its correct position, so the sorted list from the unsorted list is 10 and the unsorted list of arrays 33, 27, 14, 35, 19, 42 and 44. Now after when 10th reached to its first position, the unsorted list is 33, 27, 14, 35, 19, 42 and 44. So we select the second position element, that is 33. Now the scanning will start from 33 to 44. We select the second smallest value from the unsorted list, that is 14. So we swap the 14th item with 33 item. In this way 14th reached to its second position, and now the sorted list is 10 and 14, and unsorted element in the list are 27, 33, 35, 19, 42 and 44. Now after 10 and 14 reach to its correct position, we select the third position element, that is 27. Now scanning will start from 27 to 44. Now again we select the lowest value element from 27 to 44 list. 19 is the lowest value in the list, so 27 is swapped with 19. In this way 19 reached to its correct position. Now sorted list at left end is 10, 14 and 19, and the right position contain the unsorted list, that is 33, 35, 27, 42 and 44. Now after 10, 14 and 19 became the sorted list, the list starts, we select from the 33 element and start scanning from 33 to 44. After scanning, we select the 27 element that has the lowest value in the list. We swap 27 with 33 element, and in this way 27 reach to its correct position. So the left hand side contain the sorted elements that are 10, 14, 19 and 27, and right hand side contain the unsorted element that is 35, 33, 42 and 44. Now 10, 14, 19, 27, we start scanning from 35 to 44. We select the fifth position element, that is 35. Now start scanning. After scanning, we find the 33 is the lowest value in the list. So we swap the 33 element with 35 element. In this way 33 reach to its correct fifth position. So the sorted list in the list are 10, 14, 19, 27, 33 and 35, 42, 44 are at the left hand side and it is an unsorted array. Now we select the 35 element and start scanning the 44 and 42 elements. But the 35, 42 and 44 are at its right position, so there is no swapping will be performed. Because there is no swapping will be performed, so this list will be considered as a sorted list. So after performing all the operations, the sorted list are 10, 14, 19, 27, 33, 35, 42 and 44. Selection sort is a very simple technique to sort the data in whether in ascending order or in a descending order. The algorithm of selection sort techniques are: in first step, we need to select the minimum location, that is if your array will start from 0 to 5, so we select the location 0, and if the location will start from 1 to 6, so we select the location 1. Now from first to sixth position, in step 2, we search the minimum element in the list if you are going to sort the data in a ascending order. If you are going to sort this data in descending order, so in steps 2 we write search the maximum or greatest element in the list. Now swap the value with the location value. Increment the minimum to point to the next element, because as we see in the example, when 10 element reach to its first position, the list starts from 2 to 6th position. Repeat until the list is sorted. At the end, we get the sorted list whether you want to sort in ascending order or in a descending order. Selection sort has its own advantages. The main advantage of selection sort is that it performs well on a small list. We can sort the data of a small list in a much better way because it is an in-place sorting algorithm. So in this algorithm, we swap the element with the first position location element. So there is no additional temporary storage is required while sorting the data in a ascending or descending order by using a selection sort techniques. Its performance is easily influenced by the initial ordering of the items before the sorting process. As we see that in the example, the 35, 42 and 44 are already at its correct position. So in this way, the 3 steps of performing the comparison will be reduced. Whether selection sort has its own advantages, there are some disadvantages of selection sorts are we cannot perform selection sort on the large array list. So it has because it has a poor efficiency when dealing with the huge list of item, because the comparison and the unsorted part is became liable. The selection sort requires n squared numbers of steps for sorting n elements. For example, if list contains 7 elements, so we need to perform 7 steps to sort the element. If a list contains 35 elements, then we need to perform 35 steps to sort the list. In this way, this selection sort technique is became more complex for a user to sort the data. Thank you so much. I hope this lecture is very useful for you.